Efficient task management strategies using digital tools. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into some of the best strategies for managing your tasks efficiently using digital tools. Whether you're juggling work, school, or personal projects, these tools can make a huge difference in staying organized and on top of everything. So, let's get started. A person writing on paper versus a person using a digital tool. Why use digital tools? First off, why should you even consider using digital tools for task management? Sure, paper planners and sticky notes work for some, but digital tools offer a whole range of advantages. 1. Accessibility. Access your tasks from anywhere, on any device. 2. Collaboration. Work seamlessly with teams, share tasks, and track progress. 3. Automation. Set reminders, recurring tasks, and due dates to never miss a beat. 4. Customization. Create tasks, prioritize, and categorize based on your workflow. Top digital tools for task management. Now let's talk about some of the top digital tools that can help you stay on track. Todoist. Todoist is perfect for individuals who want a straightforward, minimalist approach to task management. It allows you to create tasks, assign due dates, and organize them by project or priority. Trello. If you're a visual person, Trello is fantastic. With its boards and cards system, you can drag and drop tasks, create checklists, and manage team projects easily. Asana is great for more complex projects. It's got everything from task assignments to project timelines and workload balancing, ideal for teams and large-scale initiatives. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace. You can manage tasks, take notes, and organize knowledge all in one place. Task management strategies. Okay, now that you know which tools to use, let's talk about how to effectively manage your tasks with these tools. Here are a few strategies. Prioritize with the Eisenhower Matrix. Use the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize your tasks by urgency and importance. This helps you focus on what truly matters. Digital tools let you create labels or tags like urgent, important, and low priority, so you can easily categorize your tasks. Time blocking. Allocate specific time slots to work on tasks. For example, in Todoist or Asana, you can add estimated durations for each task. This ensures you stay focused and prevent multitasking from slowing you down. Break down large tasks. Big projects can feel overwhelming. The key is breaking them down into smaller, actionable tasks. Tools like Trello and Notion let you create checklists within each task to track progress step by step. Set recurring tasks. Automate your routine tasks. Most digital tools offer recurring task features. For example, if you need to send weekly reports or check emails every morning, set it up once and let the tool remind you. Collaboration and sharing tasks. Collaboration is key, especially when you're working on a team project. Most task management tools allow you to share tasks, assign deadlines, and track progress. Here's how you can make it work. Assign tasks and due dates. In Trello, Asana, or Todoist, you can assign tasks to team members and set clear deadlines. This keeps everyone accountable. Use comments and attachments. Adding comments, uploading files, and linking related tasks or resources can help make your task management more efficient and organized. Reviewing and adjusting your plan. Finally, it's important to regularly review and adjust your plan. At the end of each week, spend a few minutes going through your digital task manager. Check off completed tasks, adjust deadlines, and move tasks around as necessary. So, those are some of the best strategies and tools to help you manage your tasks more efficiently. The key is consistency and finding a system that works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which digital tools you use to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.